Yeah, good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I want to tell you today about is Operation Shine Your Eyes in the Forex market. You know, the only thing that can help everybody in the Forex market is go and shine your eyes properly. Okay, every success you're gonna get in this Forex market is about what you see in front of your chart if you're looking at it. Okay, there's a reason why I'm showing you a naked chart right here, a naked one. Okay, because I don't want to cover this thing with indicators. All right, but let's go and do some kind of analysis because I want to show you a lot in this video. This video is going to be a short one, but I'm going to show you a lot of things. Let's go and start with analysis. Okay, let's go to the bigger time frame. As you can see, this is the 1 hour time frame, EUR/USD. Let's go to the daily. Go to the daily. Now, I do start my stuff from the daily, okay? Now, look at this thing. We all understand one fact about price, that when it's gonna go up, it's gonna start from somewhere now. This up moves start from here, end it here. But now, let's do one thing. When you see a price is going up, okay, it's gone up, right? The first thing you do is from where it started, just get a trend line and put it. All right, yeah, because it was going up. All right, it was going up all the way from here. All right, now it's gone up. If the price is going up based on this trend line, definitely it's gonna drop. So it's gonna only do two things for going up: breaking the top, and if it cannot break the top anymore, it's gonna go down. Let me show you what I mean. I want you to pay attention now, because it was going up, breaking the tops. Okay, breaking the tops. I want you to pay attention right now. Oh, this is Operation Open Your Eyes, man. This is another top, breaking the tops. Because it's going up, it has to continue to break the top. Okay, it's either it breaks the top or it can no longer break that top anymore. Okay, now this is another top right here. Operation break the top. Okay, Operation break the top. Now you're gonna open your eyes right here. Now we have the final top. So definitely, if it cannot break the top anymore, it has to go down. This is why. Broke your trend line, it went down. Now this is the current we have right here. This down started from here. It couldn't break the top anymore, and keep going down. Now when the market is going down, let's go and see what we expect. Oh no, not this one. When the market is going down, okay, we know it's going down. But what we want to think about is it going to continue going down, or is it going to change? Okay, this down now started from here. Let us make this thing another color stuff. This is how it gotta be. And when you making some kind of analysis, make this one a white line. Now this is when it was going down, and this is the current trend we have now. It's down. Now let's go and see something again. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, let's do it this way. I don't want it to look jam-packed with things. Here, it creates a bottom. has broken the bottom. Okay, now that is the first thing we can see. Okay, definitely we have this one. This one is another barrier to come and break. If actually is going to go down, then what we're gonna do now? Wait, let me not use this. Okay, this one should be here for next time's sake. But let me say that let's make this one like a kind of white, because I don't want the colors to mix together. We have this bottom here. Okay, this bottom, we have it. Properties. Let's make it a white, to signify that, okay, that's when we were going down. Okay, we were going down. So it broke this bottom. Okay, and then it has created a new bottom. This is the new bottom it creates. Now the point is, what is going to happen? We understand we are on a downtrend based on this white line. This white line is going down, and the bottom it's been breaking. It represents this white line. It's breaking the bottom. Okay, so if it's going down, we expect it to come and break this bottom. So if it's going to break this bottom, it has to come touch this one. Okay, so one, we say, okay, let me wait and see if it's gonna break this bottom. Then inside this box, I may put my entry and put my target here. Okay, and somebody might say, okay, let me see if it pulls back away, separated from this white line, and say, okay, when I see a separation from this white line, I'm gonna enter and I'm gonna put my TP right inside this box, because if it's ever gonna break this bottom, this is where it's coming. Okay, now that is the daily, that is the big way to think about it. Now let me go down to the 4-hour time frame, because this is what we want to do now. Let me dive down to the 4-hour time frame. Now this is exactly how it looks on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see how it looks, it's really going down when the 4-hour time frame is facing down. Okay, so now we're gonna do one thing again. Look, let's say the 4-hour time frame has created a kind of low around somewhere here. Okay, let us say this color is gonna be a kind of horizontal property. Let's say we're gonna make this one a kind of yellow to show that it's from the smaller time frame apart from daily. Now the 4-hour have been breaking some lows also, and this is what we want to do. We're breaking the lows. The 4 hours breaking the lows. Okay, 4 hours breaking the lows, that means we continue to go down. Okay, look, 4-hour testing the lows, and now it's facing to come and break. We have the final low of the 4-hour. Right here, but we can see it's penetrating into the red. This red is the daily low. okay, it's penetrating into the daily low, which means what? Which means there is every possibility to come back to this yellow, the 4-hour low, and finally it might break this white, which represents the bottom that we want it to come and break. Now let's forget about this. Now we can see the big picture that we are actually going down. Now let's go back to the 1-hour time frame, and then we want to see what is going on. Now look at the 1-hour time frame. As you can see, it hit that, it came to hit the daily, and then it bounced back down. Do you see this? Do you see the big picture of how to analyze the market right now? Okay, this is operation go away from confusion. Okay, operation go away from confusion. And then this yellow is the 4-hour low that we want to see the 4-hour break it. And you see that the 1 hour also bouncing on the 4-hour rejection, which is the yellow, and then shooting back down, penetrating into the daily red, daily low. Okay, and this is what happened, like a zigzag, which is going to form a triangle, and from there we get a breakout of this red. And definitely this is the daily, this red is the daily. Okay, and look at, we might be coming here. Okay, now this is exactly how to analyze the market. Let us go back and see the 30 minutes, how it looks under the 30 minutes time frame. See what happens under the 30 minutes time frame. You see, look, you know it's going down. From the analysis we went to do, you know it's gonna turn around and go down. Okay, so it's all about analysis. It's all about analysis. You know, do your analysis and then separate from the noise. That's it. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame and see what is going on. Look at the 15-minute time frame. Now this is a clear example and a clear picture of a perfect entry. A lot of people got stuck into this because they think it's a buy. Now they got stuck in. Okay, they got stuck in. Those people trading some kind of thing, I don't know, but they got stuck in here, and price came back and rallied down and get them out of the market in the big loss and the blue account. Okay, now this one is hitting the yellow, the 4-hour rejection zone. It's hitting it. You see, 4-hour rejection zone, even break it from here and hit the daily and bounce back, but now went back into the 4-hour rejection zone, and now it's facing downward to go and do what? To go and break this 4-hour bottom, penetrate and break this daily, and then continue its journey to the downside. Can you see the 15-minute chart? Can you see the power of analysis? So when you know exactly how to do your analysis, I think you're gonna tear the sky into pieces when it comes to Forex. You know, yeah, took the long way to get to this point, but you know, this video will never be longer than this. I hope you learn a lot of lessons from it. Watch out for the next video. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye.